Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different compounds are given. The conformation of butane. First one is anti-staggered butane. Second one is Gauche butane. Third one is Eclipsed butane. You have to find among the three which one is more stable. The answer is simple. You have to find the position of the methyl groups, whether the methyl groups are close or away. This concept is called steric effect. It is crowding of atom. It's like crowded area, you cannot drive car. Same way, crowded molecules are not stable. So the P1 methyl groups are away, which is more stable. Then Q. The Q methyl groups are nearby, relatively less stable than P. If you look at the R, methyl groups are one on another, very unstable, high steric effect. So very stable conformation is P there. Here the concept you have to learn here is steric effect decrease the stability of the molecule. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.